Well, the FDA Advisory Board has rejected that application for that booster shot again across the board. Alabama's top doctor says it would not have been a requirement for everyone in our state anyway. WVTM 13's Magdala Lusant joins us live in studio to tell us why.
Ian, that's because the recommended time being discussed is 8 months from your last shot. A lot of Alabamians started their vaccination series in April.
We would expect that people are going to receive booster doses kind of in the same order as which they received their original doses.
State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris's expectations are right. Friday, members of the FDA's advisory board agreed people 65 and up and those at severe risk of COVID can get a Pfizer booster shot, but only under emergency use. Everyone else younger will have to wait.
For most people, if the interval turns out to be 8 months after your first dose, there just aren't going to be a lot of people right now who are eligible for a third dose.
The state did not start vaccinating the general population until April. That was the biggest month for vaccinations for Alabama, with over 500,000 people rolling up their sleeves.
8 months from then is when those folks would be eligible for a booster shot. If there's, it looks like there's some reason or some need that a community vaccination center or a mass vac site would be needed, we'd have plenty of time to do that.
The State Health Department knows a little over 36,000 third doses have been administered across the state. Harris is working to figure out if these are immunocompromised people who can actually get their third shot right now, or if it's people just getting it because they want to.
It's not clear at this point, but we'll try to get some more clarity on that.
ADPH tells me it's still waiting on further guidance from the FDA, CDC, and Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices. In the meantime, they will continue to follow CDC guidelines for the immunocompromised.